Hey everyone, happy week 3 of Teleschool. Today is March 31st, so you should have open the week 3 unit plan. It looks like what my screen looks like right now. So you have 5 things. You're already doing number 1 by watching this video. Everything this week is due by Friday. You can see it says 4/3, so Friday, April 3rd, by 3 p.m. everything should be turned in. We have 2 help sessions today, one from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. and then the other help session is this afternoon from 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. So make sure if you have any questions, if you don't understand a topic, whatever it may be, pop in, see your teacher, just come chat with us. The second thing you're going to do is watch the MMMR video lesson, and you're going to split screen it with the Google Slides that we posted under the assignment in Google Classroom. Make sure as you go through those slides you insert pictures of your work, because that's what we'll be checking for when we're grading. Next, you're going to watch the dot plot video lesson, and again you're going to split screen it with Google Slides. You're going to attach your work as you go through the slides, and again that's what we'll be checking or grading. And then last, you will watch a video lesson on histograms and frequency tables. Make sure again you're split screening with Google Slides and attaching your work. Last but not least, please remember you still have to do iReady each week. You can either do a lesson and get 80% and then you can stop, or you can do 30 minutes. Make sure you screenshot a picture of the whole picture that's on your iPad. Don't just zoom in on the score, okay? We want to see the whole thing and then upload that into the assignment as well. So go ahead, get started on the first video lesson, open those Google Slides, and split screen. Again, make sure you pop into those help sessions if you get stuck or have questions. For this unit, you may use a calculator. So go ahead and if you have one, use it. If not, you can use the calculator on your iPad as well. Okay, good luck.